What's up? It's Friday the 7th. Um, two winning trades from my next payout. So, two $100 days. And then I can request, I'm pretty sure, another $1,000, which should be pretty nice. So, let's stay locked in. Yesterday we followed our rules. I'm going to outline those again today so that you guys can hold me accountable for all the decisions I decide to make. So, $150 daily loss limit on my funded account, and $600 daily loss limit on my two evals that I'm copy trading. Now, TP has to be at low resistance. Stop loss has to be at high resistance. And then beyond that, just have to wait for a damn setup. There's always going to be that light bulb setup. Every single day, we always get one. There's always going to be one. There's no need to feel FOMO. I've been watching a lot on trading psychology and really turning the corner to profitability, and it's like the only way you're going to be able to give up all these bad habits is by simply realizing, not even realizing, it's not a discipline issue, it's a wiring issue. And you have to rewire your brain to brainwash yourself that you are the profitable version of yourself. Not that you need to do this or that. It's no, you are the person that makes the right decisions, and that's how you receive your happiness. So that's how I want to receive my happiness today, is being the person that makes the right decisions. And so I can choose to do that or I can choose not to. And it's free to make the right decisions. It costs progress and happiness to make the wrong ones. So anyway, let's look at, I haven't really done much analysis yet. Okay, we're coming up out of this daily. We're displacing higher. We have these equal highs we made. It's kind of a ways up there now. We've respected these 4-hour gaps here. So price has not proven to me that we're going to displace towards that high. ES has also done the same. Same on the 2-hour. It's kind of a market maker buy model here, though. We have closed above this, but that's not the highest time frame gap. 30-minute, 15. I really like this sell side down here. Looks really clean to me. Yeah, I like London lows down there. I like Asia lows. This low is protected. I know we had news at 5:30. It's this wick here. Let's go to the 1 minute. Here's our news wick. So this is going to be primarily my targets for the day. Down here. I really like how all this looks down here. But I believe this low is protected. That is the buy side of the curve. Took out this low, SMT with this low. I would like us to come take that news low. I think that's pretty reasonable to ask for. If we come up to this 15, market's going to open. We're going to have this 15 minute here. We'll be able to use to take us lower. We already have a 5 minute there. But yeah, that news wick is really what I'm looking at. That's going to be our data low. I don't have a data low template saved. I have a data high. Data low. Okay, so what do I need to see for me to get a trade here? I need to see us show intention to go here, and then I need to show us disrespecting bearish, disrespecting bullish, respecting bearish. So again, no one's forcing me to take any trade. We're going to be taking one micro on one micro. Does look really good already. We get a new 15-minute open in at market open, and so here's going to be our 15-minute. If we inverse that at market open, then I might even just, depending on if we close below us, I might get right in and have a 1-to-1 stop. How many points is that? It's 100 points, so that's already more than my risk allows. It's too big of a stop. It's too big of a stop for 7 contracts on the evals. What can we do on the evals? Well, we could do 200 times 5. We could do 10 contracts. Sorry, 5 contracts on the eval accounts. Okay, market opens at 50 seconds. Really just looking to see how we treat this 15, and then how we treat the 5 that we open up behind us. The price might not return up here. I've seen that a lot where the data low just gets ran, and I just have to sit on my hands if I don't get an entry. You know, it's that simple. Really is that simple. So I'll just be ready though. Midnight's also below. Okay, so we did not inverse that 15. I want to see this 5 show us that price is going to go lower. So I'm really just looking for this right here. Not too much to ask for. If we do get a clean entry off of that, then I will take it, because my stop will be high resistance liquidity, the swing high put inside the 5-minute, the 30-minute power of 3. So right now we're building up low resistance liquidity. I'd like to see us manipulate a little bit higher there. We didn't take out the high I wanted. Okay. There's that high. It's taken. There's no inversions to enter off of. Resweep of that high would be ideal. That 15 is still there we go. Now I'm interested in shorts. It's going to be off of this breaker if we do get it. I gotta remember though, we also did just inverse a 1-minute inside of this 15 that we're respecting. Now we're getting legs higher. So the bullish bias on the day could also, or the bullish idea could also play out. I personally, though, would like to see data low. ES is not looking good either. I don't know, man. I really just want us to go lower here. So we are first presented fair value gap. There's a 2 hour here with a devil's mark as well, meaning no bottom wick. That as well just adds to my bias for shorts. If we inverse this first presented fair value gap, I wouldn't be opposed to taking this trade here. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this. It's a trade I like. How much are we risking? A little too much. We can risk 70 points. That's about perfect right there. That's a $150 risk. We still have to wait for the 2 minute and the 3 minute, but first presented fair value gap failed. which is why I like this short. Pretty ugly 3-minute close. We have low resistance at our take profit, which is good. All this low resistance built up right here is ideal. Could say the same about my TP though. So, or sorry, the same about my stop loss. It's not perfect. I mean, it's a lot better. Three-minute just inversed. It's good to see. Alright, let's daily loss limit on the 2 evals and daily loss limit on the Apex. So, that'll be it. Yep, it's totally fine. If price reverses from here, that would suck, because my take profit should have been at the swing high. But, yeah. Let's see what happens from here. There. See, now we built up LR, and it's like, price will manipulate my stop, and then I don't even think this was a bad trade, though. Yeah, so there goes my stop loss. Done trading, though. Can't take anything else. See, now this is the A plus setup. So we're going to watch this play out. We're going to watch the trade I should be in here play out. So watch how beautiful it's going to be. Just watch. It's going to be beautiful. We're going to inverse that 1 minute. And it's going to be really good. That's what I should be in. But my accounts are locked. And that's better than trying to take another trade. Watch this close and then watch this just not a very clean close. Be right back. I guess price hasn't flushed lower yet, but we're still gonna watch, see if it does. I'm happy my accounts are locked. Because if I were in this, if I didn't lock my accounts, I know dang well I'd be in this short right here, which is actually short I like. And I would be just now mad that I got in this trade and worried about my stop loss getting hit again. So it's just not, it's not worth it, you know? It's, I wonder if we're consolidating. Do we have news? I haven't checked for news today. No? We don't really have news. I don't know what's up with this consolidation. Really bad price action. Alright, well, there's not much reason to stay here. We'll see where market goes. I still think we go lower. Just gotta be happy with my loss and get off. And I gotta work on rewiring my brain every single day, where it's like I gotta be disgusted with the thought of wanting to revenge trade to make the money back. Instead, I have to acquire happiness from knowing that I'm following a system instead of just random revenge and emotion. You know, so I'm just I have to brain myself. I have to brainwash myself to become the version of me that's profitable and follows my rules. And so if I say that I am that person enough times and get happiness from it, then that's what I will become. So I am the person that follows my rules, and I'm happy I followed them, and the thought of breaking them right now disgusts me. So it's as simple as that. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for watching, and be back next week. We can always trade this funded back up. We're still positive. Since the payout, I was at 26,500. Now we're at 26,646. So we're literally still up, and we have 3 out of 5 of our winning days. We literally just got to get 2 more winning days of $100, build it up, and then we can take the payout. So we will get there. There's no way we don't. And I just got to keep trading with the same mental that I did today. So, yep. See you guys next week.